everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I am really excited to show this little small business. I've purchased from this company before, and I recently was looking at new updates that they've done and all of that, and I saw that they introduced new scents for March. This wonderful company is called Pure Bliss Wax, and yes, I said that right. This is the company I used to originally buy my wax. So I think you've seen it on my channel before. It's this wonderful wax. I've been transitioning back to wax, especially for square diamonds, because for some reason I found out that it works better for me when I'm placing squares or I'm using wax. I don't know. To me, it makes sense. I just received this order a couple days ago, but I'll explain more in a minute. I did open it and take out my packing list, and the reason I'm not flipping it is because it has the shipping label with my address. So, and in the front they just put the shipping label and just a little small, sticker letting you know, hey, thank you for buying. So what I was gonna say is, because where I live, it's hot. I live in Texas. It's always hot. And I took a little too long picking up the package. So there is one item that did melt a bit. And it's this poor little item. They sent this wonderful little, well, it said, oh, here we go. It says free gift. And it's a little cube of a different scent of their wax. So this one is a wax melt. And the smell on it is called cinnamon sticks. I really like it. And as soon as I opened the package, the first thing I smelled was this. Ah, so good. It's not real strong cinnamon. It's more a subtle smell. Really, really kind of timid. And that's why I really like it. I don't use wax melts, but I wonder if I can still use it for my pen. I'll test that another time. And these are the 3 original scents I purchased. The reason I found out it melted a bit is because it's in the bottom of this one, as you can see. And the reason I knew it was the same thing is because I can smell it. So, and we'll go with this one at the end, so I'll leave it there. The 3 wonderful scents I picked up were raspberry sugar, cucumber sea salt, and fresh bamboo. I always take a chance whenever I purchase any of these scents, mostly because they do put a really, really nice description of, this is what the scent should smell like. So, or the way it was put together to make the scent. Oh, and they sometimes include a little sticker. I love that it says wrap paddle. Because, I'm all about, going somewhere and wrapping. I love this little sticker. I love how it looks really neon sign, kind of vintage style for me anyway. Because I grew up with a lot of stickers that are in this style. Who knows? I might put it on my light pad. Every now and then you need a good wrap paddle, right? And sorry, I had to include that because I just think it's really cool. So the first one, raspberry sugar. I'm assuming it's sweet. So, because, it's sugar and it's raspberry. And usually raspberry smells. This is what the wax looks like. They're not. Oh, that smells real nice. I can't describe it. It's not too sweet at all. And that's what I was worried. Because usually sugar smells are really. I'm trying really hard not to sound like I'm sniffing something. It's really subtle, really, really, it's a pleasant smell. It doesn't smell like perfume. It's just a really, really subtle smell that you can probably smell a little bit of the raspberry. I really like this one. I think this is the one I'm going to test first, so let me put it aside. The next one, cucumber sea salt, and it made me think of that cucumber scent from Bath and Body Works. Back in the day, they would always push that cucumber, I believe it was cucumber lemon, I think. I forgot. No, it was actually cucumber salt. That wonderful fresh scent, and I'm hoping this smells like it. Oh my goodness, yes it does. Oh, it smells like cucumber. I kind of want to eat it. It flat out does. That is really cool. It is such a fresh smell, and I like it. But to me, it smells a little, I don't know, masculine? I guess that's the word I can use. It smells like a little bit musky, a little bit more kind of more of a masculine smell. And I like it though. It smells really fresh, really clean. It's just a hint of that I catch. And again, for these wonderful waxes, the way they smell like they smell to me, apologies, it might not smell like that to you. That's the thing. But the neato thing of smells, not everyone smells the same thing. Trust me, I make putty. It super surprises me when I have someone catch the smell and they totally say it's something else. But to me, this one smells, well, I can flat out say it smells flat out like cucumber, and it's really neat. I really like it. Kind of want to eat it. Let me put it aside. And finally, fresh bamboo. So I'm hoping that this little item, sorry, the wax that melted under it, won't mess with the scent. Usually it doesn't, but let's see what it smells like. Myself, I've never been to a field of bamboo, so I don't know what fresh bamboo smells like. Oh my goodness, that is a really... It's kind of a woodsy smell. It is. You can smell a little bit of that wood kind of smell. You know, best way I can explain it is when you go to Home Depot and you go to the back where they always cut the plywood and all of that. That's what it reminds me of. That's the best way I can describe it. But yeah, it has that really nice woodsy smell. To me, this one is probably the strongest scent of all of them that I sniffed. The least strongest was this one. Now I kind of want to go find a field of bamboo and compare it. Because like I said, I've never smelled bamboo. So it does smell nice. I like it. I do like it. I just have to clean it. Because unfortunately the other scent melted on it. And it's my fault. Like I said, I'm in Texas. Everything melts. It's a Texas thing. I don't know. I don't know if it should be a motto we have. Welcome to Texas. Everything melts. Sorry, I couldn't resist. So I put that aside real quick, and I'm just going to show you how you load a pen with wax. I've been asked before, so I thought, you know what, let me show it with the one that I want to use. I love that now her labels are different. They're more holographic, because as I've shown, this is an older scent I purchased. I purchased before, so I know the quality of this wax. Big fan of it. Then I'm thinking maybe I should buy some more, because I really do like it. But let me show you how to load. So if you have a pen, it can be any tip. It can be just our standard plastic, which I still love using, especially with these wonderful pens I purchased on Amazon. They do include these, so that's why I don't have a problem with it. All you do is get the wax, just hold on to it and scrape it once. This is the way I do it. Turn the pen and scrape it again. If you see any that it's either too much or anything, you can use your finger and press it in. I unfortunately forgot to get a canvas. And as you can see, it's perfectly in the pen. I think the camera can kind of catch it. And yeah, let me get a canvas because I can't believe I forgot. So give me one moment. Okay, sorry about that. I'm back. As you can see, this is a square shaped diamond. This is one of my canvases I'm currently working on. But I really want to show how well this wax works. I'm a big fan of it. I still have the same pen, so it picks up with no issue and does that wonderful popping sound if I remember how to put a diamond straight. So it's a square diamond, but as you all saw, it picked up with no issue. I'm just fixing it, and I can fix actually. It's bugging me. Sorry. So I'll show again because I actually did it. Apologies. I think there's a bird near me. I showed it off camera, so as you can see, let me put it right here. I'm not going to put it on this sticky part because I don't want to lift the tray and everything flies out. So it picks up the diamond with no issue. Oh my goodness, I love that. I never really have issues working with this wonderful wax unless I don't put enough in the pen tip, and I've been super guilty of doing that. So I don't think I put enough because I'm having issues placing them down. So let me fix that again. And the neato thing about this wax is you can always just put some more and to just refill it again. You would just get it and scrape some more. And there you go. It'll be pretty much fresh and new. And you can just, what I also do is tap it on on the edge of the canvas so I can make sure it's pressed in. And again, it's pressed in with no issue. I really enjoyed this wax. And when I found it again, my older one, and oh my goodness, it reminded me of how much I really enjoy working with wax, especially for single placing. I do not use it for my multi-placer. I use it mostly for my single placing. That I believe I'll go back and using it because I usually do use glue dots for my single placer, but I've been having a lot of issues with them. I have no idea why. I think it picks up, if I just leave it alone for a while, it pretty much will dry out, and I have such issues using it. So that's why I've been going back to wax, and voila, as y'all can see, I really do enjoy it. And all you would do is seal it back once you're not using the current wax. As you can just put it aside, and it really helps with keeping the smell to last a while. I have one that's been a year old, and when I opened it again, I saw, oh my goodness, it still smells just as well as when I first bought it. This one again is called Raspberry Sugar. And yeah, I just really wanted to show this company. It is a small business, and it is through Etsy. So all of these wonderful scents in the store itself, I'll put in the description below if maybe some of this wax is your cup of tea as well. Oh, I really love this smell. And I really want to get back to painting, so apologies, y'all. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings and accessories we love to use. Sorry, I just really love the smell. An emoji. I just don't know what to use for wax. A candle emoji. That's the next thing I can think of that has wax. I just love emojis. I love candle emojis because I think they're so cute. And you can put them in the comments below. It lets me know that you're kind enough to watch the wonderful video all the way to the end. Thank you so much for that. And I really hope you enjoyed. Now I get it back to painting. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.